Hello and good morning. In the last class, we saw the influences of the Sagittarius natives or the Sagittarius Ascendant and the fifth house or the fifth bhava. And we came to the conclusions that the native is even tempered and that the native will have a good education, she will do a degree, and she will also do a master's degree. And we came to this conclusion that the native will have children after some medical assistance. Now, let us look at the Dasha Buktis of the same native to see if there is a positivity of these events that we have predicted in the Rashi chart. The Rashi chart gives us an indication as to what the native will do, but it is the Dasha Bukti which shows whether the promise can be executed in the right time and in the right place. Like, for example, if the native does not have a dasha that is linking the 4th house and the 5th house between the age group of 5 to 25, and she gets the same dashas after 25, that means to say she will not have the education at that period of time, but she will have later in life. So that kind of upsets our cycles. So it is always wonderful to get a Dasha Bhukti at the right time. Correct? Now, in this chart, the moon is placed in Cancer in 16 degrees and 25 minutes in the fag end of Pushya Nakshatra 4th pada. The Pushya Nakshatra is over at 16 degrees 40 minutes. The native will have this dasha only for 4 months. And the Pushya Nakshatra Lord is Saturn. Therefore, the native will begin her life with Saturn Mahadasha for 4 months. And she will walk into Mercury Mahadasha. The Mercury Mahadasha is placed in the 12th house, is the Lord of the 7th and the 10th, is conjoined with Sun, the 9th Lord, and the 5th Lord Mars, and is aspected by Jupiter. So the pluses are, even though the negativity is that it is placed in the 12th house, it is placed in the Scorpio, which is an inimical sign for Mercury, but the plus points are it is associated with Sun, who is the 9th Lord, and associated with Mars, who is the 5th Lord and the 12th Lord in the 12th house, right? And over and above all these things, Jupiter is aspecting all of them. That means to say the Lagna Lord and the 4th house Lord and the natural benefic is aspecting this conjunction, right? Even though the conjunction is happening in the 12th house, the 12th house Karatatvas may pick up at times, but on the whole, it will be a positive influence for the native for her education, right? She will join the school in Mercury Dasha. She will complete her school in Mercury Dasha, and she will go into college. No, she will do pre-university or maybe Yeah, only pre-university, that will be 17 years and 4 months when the dasha is over. So at 17 years in India, we would have completed our SSC and we would have completed our pre-universities, right? Examination, that is pre-university PUC. Now, when I don't have anything, I have a hand. I'm just tapping on my hand. When we have a Mercury Dasha, the first thought process is Mercury is a planet of intelligence. Irrespective of his placement, he is a planet of intelligence. Now, the planet of intelligence is associated with the planet of Atma, the sun. Therefore, the native becomes brilliant or intelligent. It is aspected by Mars, a planet of quickness. See, here I am only using the qualities of the planet. I am not using anything else. The quality of the planets, that is the Mars, who is the planet of quickness, Sun, who is the planet of soul, and Mercury, the planet of intelligence, are together to make this native an intelligent native or a brilliant native. So, the 17 years of her schooling should be a cakewalk. She will have absolutely no problem in these 17 years. Little hiccups here and there, all of us have in our dasha bhuktis. But as far as education goes, the native will enjoy a smooth pattern till the time she completes pre-university. Now, if we were to split it a little bit, we see that Jupiter, who is the fourth lord, is aspecting the Dashanata. Therefore, during the Dashanata, the fourth house Karatattva of school education will go smoothly. By the time she comes to the 17th year, she will walk into Ketu Dasha. This native is brilliant. She has done extraordinarily well in all the subjects. She would have got that marks to enter into pure sciences, but she walks also into the Ketu Dasha. Ketu is posted in the fourth house. The dispositor of Ketu is Jupiter. Jupiter in turn aspects the fifth lord, because now we are going to pick up the fifth house. He aspects the fifth house, Mars. So therefore, what is the problem? The problem is Ketu, being posted in the fourth house, has to give her a change in some parameter of life, right? Now, since this is the education period, she will take a change, right? From the family's expectations of going into hardcore sciences, she may go into accounts and finance. That is very clearly understood. Even though you have marks to do pure sciences, if you have a fourth house with Pisces, and the Pisces is a house of treasury, therefore you will learn the subjects of treasure, which is money, finance, making money, how to improve the financial qualities of the company, and so on and so forth, is the education pattern when the fourth house is in Pisces. Ketu is a binder. He is binding you to that thought process. Therefore, the native, not only having good marks, will go into accounts, audit, finance, right? The Ketu Dasha and the Ketu Bukthi will also, Ketu Dasha and the entire Ketu, entire Bhuktis from Ketu Ketu Mahadasha and the entire Ketu Bhuktis would be a period of education for the native. Jupiter, the lord of 4th house, the dispositor of 4th house, is aspecting the 5th lord Mars. He is also aspecting the 9th lord Sun, and he is also aspecting the 7th and the 10th lord Mercury. Correct? Therefore, this period of 7 years would be a period of education. The first 4 years would be in your degree college. Then, in the dasha of Antradasha of Jupiter, I repeat, Ketu Mahadasha, Antradasha of Jupiter, the native will go abroad for a master's degree. She has already decided to take a master's degree, and the 4th lord Jupiter, posted in the 8th house, aspecting the 12th house, along with Mars, Sun and Mercury, will make the native look at an option of doing the master's degree abroad. Right? So she will complete her degree by the end of Ketu Bhukti, and that has taken the education portion from the dasha. The minute she gets Venus dasha, she will marry. Now, when we go to the 7th house, we will see why. Right? Now, for children, the native will have a medically assisted child because of the planetary influences in the 12th house. Right? And the Bhukti would be moon. I hope I have been able to explain this Dasha Bhukti in the short 12 minutes. If you want to have more information, if you want to contact me, you could contact me at g3astro@gmail.com. Do comment and follow me at G3Astro. Share, subscribe and enjoy. Thank you. Have a pleasant day. Bye-bye.